Sun peeking over the ocean tide, waxing up board, sleepy-eyed. Coffee in hand, wetsuits on, paddling out before the crowds are gone. Little waves rolling like a lullaby, no big sets, but man, we're riding high. Matt's already out past the pier, laughing as Arlo wipes out now. It's just small waves and big smiles, talking life between the rides. With John, Mikey, me and the crew, catching rights and some lefts too. We're not here to win, just to feel alive. One Sunday morning.
All right, tell me who you are. Arlo, OB here, surf. It's gonna be a good time today. Yeah, I like that. Short, sweet.
Laugh again.
Come on.
Arlo's cruising like he's born for this, and Matt's just chilling in bliss. The sun warms our backs as we float and chat about where we're headed, where we're at. It ain't about the wave size, it's who's near. And today all the good vibes are here. It's just small waves and big smiles, talking life between the rides. With John, Mikey, me and the crew, catching rides and some lefts too. We're not here to win, just to feel alive. One Sunday morning, right in the time. Time slips away like sand in the breeze. We're just brothers in the sea, feeling free. Salt on our skin, hearts open wide, learning each other one wave at a
Hey, I
time.
got an idea, Matt. Go back in, come back out all day. You brought it in. Okay. Good. Where'd that set come from? Bring it on. Then you guys, there's Mikey. He stepped on the water. Or hey, maybe Jesus is here. Jesus, right? Jesus walking on the water. So Arlo is a electrician. He's friends with Mikey, and I just met him yesterday. Like we were coming back from his house when you called.
Oh, nice.
Oh,